Hi, I am Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. And in this video, I want to talk about something most Amazon sellers learned the hard way: how agencies scam Amazon sellers. I have worked with sellers who were doing great until they handed over their accounts to agencies that promised guaranteed sales, fast growth, and secret strategies. What actually happened was burned ad spend, fake reports, zero transparency, and sometimes even account suspensions. One of the biggest scams is fake case studies, where agencies show screenshots that are not even from the real client's account. Another common trick is locking sellers into long contracts while outsourcing the actual work to untrained freelancers. Many agencies also run reckless PPC campaigns just to show activity, not profitability, and then blame Amazon when results don't come. Some even keep admin access to your account, making it hard for you to leave. The truth is, real Amazon agency focuses on systems, data transparency, and long-term growth, not shortcuts. Before hiring any agency, always ask for live dashboard proof, clear KPIs, ownership clarity, and even terms and exit terms. If an agency promise guaranteed profits, that's your biggest red flag. If this video helped you avoid costly mistakes, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Growth Beyond Horizon, and stay connected for real Amazon strategies that actually work.